I'm Jaclyn, and today we are going to introduce me cars and Hailey's car. This is Hailey.
Hello.
She's my roommate. And I have my lovely Subaru over here, and we have a Miata. And around the corner we have my Corolla, and today we are going to talk about all of them. So follow me over. This is a 1997 Subaru STI. It came from Japan. As you can see, the steering wheel is on the wrong side. It's very not vacuumed. I know someone who would be very upset about that. It has some horsepowers. Let us look at all of those cones. Yes. Honestly, this car is pretty stock. I haven't done many modifications, just like maintenance. Like I had to do the valve cover gasket, and it needed new struts and its rear axle rebuilt. I need a new battery very, very soon. It's a true JDM battery from Japan. You'll never see one of these ever working. And that's pretty much it for this guy. I hope my head gasket isn't leaking, but maybe it is. So behind us we have Hailey's Miata. His name's Paul. What do you like to do with Paul?
I like to drift, Paul. To take a look at my disgusting interior. There's a couple things in there.
Oh, tell us about your seat, Hailey.
Oh yeah, that was, I refoamed that and I reupholstered it with glue.
Did you maybe use spray foam as...
Yes, there's a lot of spray foam in here, shaved down of course. I've got this custom welded in 4-point half cage guy going on there. He does the trick.
He done do the
He
trick.
done the trick.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's open the hood and show you all the -6 horsepower that it has.
I'm excited.
Yep.
Have you had any other Miatas, Hailey?
Oh, lots. I have 3 others. The hood mod stays up on its own.
Oh my god.
There's a dick here for extra horsepower too.
How many extra does that add?
Well, probably -3.
Negative
Because it has
three?
-6, right? So.
I'm confused
what
about
part
how
is-
that's a peen.
It was. It was the Liam special.
She's never seen a penis before in her life.
Probably not. It leaks.
Why the Miata? Why do you keep sticking with Miatas?
Because they're cute.
They're cute?
And they drift good, surprisingly.
Do they drift good?
No. Well enough.
I'm upset.
Yes.
What have you done to this car so far?
A lot of maintenance and some coilovers. The JIC Magic guys. Cut and welded knuckles. Yep. So far to see if BC works.
Wow, BC works.
I
I hear that guy's really weird.
Yeah. Extended lower ball joints for the added camber guys.
Added camber guys?
Welded
Is it
diff.
canter or
Canter, yes, the added canter.
Perfect.
Yep.
Sick.
Welded diff
How long have you been drifting?
on the track for 2 years.
2 years. That's the official.
Maybe on the street for 5 in total.
What's streeting?
I don't know. That's not a thing that people do, right?
Nope.
No. Not anymore.
We're also gonna look at my Corolla today. Look at this. This has a custom, non-authorized Speed Hero rear windshield banner.
Oh, shh. Look at the center.
Oh my goodness. And
SIR grill, though.
our beautiful Hello Kitty decorations. Very important. Come inside. It's definitely locked, police. Thank you for asking and checking. We have, what do we have? Well, we have a seat that is custom mounted. That's about 3 inches of rising because I'm a short bean. We have a stolen steering wheel from some dude. And let's talk about all of my horsepowers. Very lovely. Here is where we keep all 60 of the horsepowers. Oh god. As you can see, this is Capti Tech worthy. Both the negative and positive battery terminals have been covered just because. And if you look in here under this lovely custom header guy here, you can see a steering column, but wait, This is a 1982 model. Is it supposed to have a steering box? Yes, it is, but we have a steering rack down here that is another BC Works guy. So yeah, we have our steering rack conversion. It has cut and welded knuckle guys, low Ackerman knuckles, I believe is the term. Extended LCAs, and I also have rack spacers. Those are good.
Coilovers.
Coilovers. Oh, I'm going to. I don't really
Mine
have.
has lots of bushings that have been done.
The bushings are
Lots
important.
of energy bushings. Yeah.
Soon I will have coilovers, and then I'll have all new brake components. Though they're garbage though. Those are bad. Don't. No.
What brand are they?
T3. T3. So yeah, that'll soon to change. I'm also looking at getting a 4-link potentially for the butt of this lovely car. So, because right now we get many a hop. So many hop right now when we are drifting, and it really sucks. I've been drifting for about a year, so it's been okay for now, but kind of garbage, and it's not a lot of fun. So I think to continue in my drifting, I will need to upgrade the rear end of this car. Now, if you'll come over here, ooh, you can see some lovely rust holes. These are, they come from factory, and it's mostly kind of stripped out interior, not entirely. I'm not going to chip the sound deadening off like Liam has done to his Corolla. Maybe you will get to meet this Corolla in the future.
He's also the one who drew the penis.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Peen?
Peen? Penis.
Peen. Penis. But yes, this looks like it could be a lovely bed to sleep on. Are you doing drift school tomorrow or no?
No.
No.
I have to work.
I'm doing drift
I'm
school
going
tomorrow.
to come after.
Sick.
Yep.
And Hailey has done many a drift school before. I'm doing my 3rd one now, or tomorrow, and maybe we will get to show some of that soon. We did drift school today at Western Speedway. It was a really good day. I did some donuts, and I even got in some figure 8 transition-y guys. And I didn't get any new stickers today because my car decided to break, very sadly. I don't know if it's the mini spool that exploded or if it's an axle that snapperied yet, but something is very bad and it is not able to be driven home. So we have called a tow truck currently to come and get this bad boy. Hopefully I will be able to find a diff or an axle. I have one spare wagon axle. They're actually different than the sedan ones. The bearing is beefier. So it's a little bit difficult to find them. I think I can buy the bearings new, but they're expense. So I'll probably end up begging someone for their diff and axles, and maybe a even bigger diff in the future, but it's kind of expensive. So that's the dangers of drifting cars. It's a really dumb sport. Would not recommend. Cars are stupid. Don't snort cars, kids. Don't do it. Cars, not even once.
Updated arrival time is 6 something.
Woo woo.
Woo 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 woo.
No, you can't. Thank you for watching. I had a good time showing you my cars, and I hope to show you some more cars in the future, and I will see you next time. Thank you.
Bye.
We should all love each other. And
I'm into the more sacrificing cults, not the mass rape cults.
Dunk.